Hey everyone, it's Tech with Bunmi. We're back with another video, and today we're talking about making that side hustle money, serious side hustle money. We're diving deep into the top 7 high-paying freelance skills to master in 2024. Freelancing is booming, and for good reason. It gives you the flexibility to be your own boss, set your own hours, and potentially earn way more than you ever could at a traditional job. But where do you even start? That's what I'm here for. We're breaking down the most in-demand freelance skills out there, skills that can bring in some serious cash. Stick around because we're ranking them from good to this could replace your day job good. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this video helpful. Web development is like digital real estate, and business is booming. Every business, from local shops to Fortune 500 companies, needs a website. Web development is a broad field. Front-end developers make sure the website looks amazing and is easy to use. Back-end developers handle databases and security. Full-stack developers handle it all. Learn coding languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Use free resources like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Khan Academy. A killer portfolio is your golden ticket to high-paying gigs. Next up, we've got a field for all you visual thinkers out there. We're talking about graphic design, the art of communication through visuals. In today's visually driven world, graphic designers are in high demand. Every logo you see, every website you visit, every social media post that catches your eye, that's all thanks to the magic of graphic design. Businesses need logos, branding guidelines, marketing materials, social media graphics, the list goes on and on. Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are the industry standards. Skillshare, Udemy, and even YouTube have amazing tutorials that can take you from beginner to pro in no time. Freelance graphic designers typically charge by the hour or by the project. Hourly rates can range from $25 to $75 or more, depending on your experience and the complexity of the project. And for larger projects like branding packages or website designs, you can easily command thousands of dollars. Let's be real for a second. The internet has completely changed how businesses operate. These days, if you're not online, you might as well not exist. And that's why digital marketing is such a booming field. Digital marketing is all about driving traffic, generating leads, and ultimately boosting sales. It encompasses a wide range of skills, including search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. Google even offers free digital marketing courses through their Google Digital Garage platform. Freelance digital marketers can charge retainer fees, hourly rates, or performance-based fees. Hourly rates typically range from $30 to $100 or more, depending on your experience and expertise. And as you build a track record of success, you can start charging higher fees and working with bigger clients. Copywriting. The words that make them click by now. Have you ever read a product description that was so good you almost felt like you were already using the product? That, my friends, is the power of a skilled copywriter. Copywriting isn't just about stringing words together. It's about understanding human psychology, crafting persuasive messages, and ultimately driving action. A great copywriter can make a product sound irresistible, a service seem indispensable, and a brand feel relatable and trustworthy. The beauty of copywriting is that you don't need any special equipment or software to get started. All you need is a laptop, a good internet connection, and a passion for writing. Freelance copywriters typically charge by the word, by the hour, or by the project. Rates can vary widely depending on the type of copy, the length, and the client's budget, but experienced copywriters can easily earn $50 to $100 or more per hour, and some even charge six figures for large projects like website copy or sales letters. Video editing, the art of storytelling in the digital age. People's attention spans are shorter than ever before. They want their information fast, they want it engaging, and they want it visually appealing. And that, my friends, is why video editing is such a hot skill right now. Video is king, and businesses know it. Video editing is more than just cutting and pasting clips together. It's about storytelling, pacing, music choice, and creating an emotional connection with the viewer. Freelance video editors typically charge by the hour or by the project. Hourly rates can range from $30 to $75 or more, depending on your experience and the complexity of the project. Data analysis, become the data whisperer. In today's digital world, data is everywhere, but raw data is useless unless you know how to extract meaningful insights from it. Data analysts are the detectives of the digital world, sifting through massive data sets, uncovering hidden patterns, and helping businesses make smarter decisions. Excel is your best friend for basic data cleaning, analysis, and visualization. SQL is a must-have for querying databases and extracting the data you need. Freelance data analysts typically charge by the hour or by the project. Hourly rates can range from $40 to $100 or more, depending on your experience, the complexity of the project, and the industry you're working in. And for larger projects like building predictive models or conducting in-depth market research, you can command even higher rates. Mobile app development. Become an appreneur. We live in a mobile-first world. People are glued to their smartphones, and for good reason. Mobile app development is a broad field that encompasses everything from designing user interfaces to writing code to testing and debugging apps. If you're interested in developing apps for iOS devices like iPhones and iPads, you'll need to learn Swift, Apple's powerful and intuitive programming language. And if you're targeting Android devices, which make up the majority of the global smartphone market, Kotlin is your weapon of choice. Freelance mobile app developers typically charge by the hour or by the project. Hourly rates can range from $50 to $150 or more, depending on your experience, the complexity of the app, and the platform you're developing for. And for larger projects like developing a full-featured social media app or a complex e-commerce platform, you can easily command six figures or more. So, there you have it. The top 7 high-paying freelance skills to learn in 2024. Each of these skills offers incredible earning potential, the flexibility to be your own boss, and the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. But here's the thing. It doesn't matter if you choose web development, graphic design, digital marketing, or any of the other skills we discussed today. The most important thing is to take action. Start learning one of these skills today, invest in yourself, hone your craft, and start building your freelance empire. The future of work is here, and it's filled with opportunities for those who are willing to adapt, learn, and hustle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.